Any mention?
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 16. Lordship, I beg to mention item 16, Lordship.
16.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly have this matter after 1 week, Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
3 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Not 1 week, 3 weeks. Yes. Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Your Lordship.
One Sarpai Sutra.
Yes, Your Lordship. Item number 13.
13.
13.
Yes. Both you for the petitioner? No objection. 2 weeks, yes. On the prayer was responded.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship.
15.
Yes, Lordship.
3C Merry Moment.
Yes, Lordship.
No objection. 2 weeks, yes.
How do you apply for?
Yes, MS Raji. Quick.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 and
11 and
12.
11 and 12.
Yes, Lordship.
Where's Mr. Jha?
He's sick.
Out of station.
That 11 is a parted matter, and 2 times it was already made parted.
Doesn't
Only
matter.
one thing, Your
2 weeks,
Lordship,
yes.
Lordship, that one affidavit pursuant to the order bringing on record the specimen copy of the this appointment order for regular and the temporary employees are brought on a record.
2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
11, 12, 15, yes.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg
Yes,
to mention
Sultan.
item 14, Your Lordship, since learned DSJ is out of station. If we may have this matter
2
after 1
weeks,
week.
yes. 17,
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Your Lordship.
very good.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
2 weeks. Similar
2 weeks.
period for item number 18 to 57, 18 to 101, Your Lordship.
What's happened to Mr. Day?
Due to some personal difficulties, Your Lordship, that it come on Wednesdays, Your Lordship.
On?
Wednesday.
Yes. We'll have a fixed date when?
Wednesday, Your Lordship.
Wednesday? Wednesday 25th?
Fine, always fine.
Yes. 27th, yes.
Much obliged. Was of like.
Yes. Alur Hitler is behind. Alur Hitler is behind. Alur. Very good. Yes. Call out the matters.
Supplementary, item number 1.
My Lord, this matter, Lordship kindly enough to allow us to move today. We received the show cause for my Lord, page number.
Before you begin, Mr. Kinta, the other similar situated matter, what happened?
The other matter, in fact, insofar the other matter is concerned, the NOC that they have obtained from a different village, Mauba. And so far this premises of the shop is concerned, is within the premises of the, within the jurisdiction and area of the same of Milim, not under any other village.
Okay.
And in the past also, there were matters where we had sought for, asked for direction that NOC be obtained from the same of Milim. That matter I'll come with instruction. So far this matter is arising from the same cause of
We'll
action.
sit together. When's it coming up? What's the
Ajit Paul.
who moved that case?
Ajit Paul, I moved the petition.
Ajit Paul.
That's the earlier one also.
My Lord, I moved the petition.
When's it coming up?
My Lord, it is coming up perhaps since 2 weeks. 9 October, my Lord. It's
Then
coming
status
up.
quo is on today till 9 October.
Status quo may be maintained, my Lord. And come
I have
together.
strong
on-
objection, Your Lordship.
It's a
Doesn't
like
matter,
my Lord.
We go by the rule of law.
It's a like
No,
There is a law in place.
no, one thing, Mr. Kinta will dispose it off on 9th of October. It's only 2 weeks away. That's all.
Illegally they have been running the
No, see, whatever, if they've run it illegally, they've been running it, you have recourse to your own remedy. Right? Under the Act.
Yeah.
Right. The things that only while the matter is before this court, and while you have made a submission, we need a small affidavit from your side, or maybe the pro forma respondent has to be served to say that yes, it's under jurisdiction. Only then that the matter can be resolved. Then we'll pass orders.
This is a very strong, there is a very strong allegation against the respondent same of Milim about corruption and demanding
He
money.
has to meet that, yes.
Very serious.
It's a matter of livelihood, my lordship gave us
You
a
have
status
received
quo.
a notice asking for show cause.
You should ask. You asked to show cause also.
Yeah, we have, the officer concerned has taken steps for all those action under the regulation of 1954.
Let them appear. What's the other WPC number?
315.
315.
315 of 2023.
Heard Mr. H.L. Thangyusula, Counsel the petitioner. The matter in sum and substance is identical to WPC 315, which was presented before this court. When was the date?
9 October.
9 October.
No. When was it moved?
Just
Wednesday.
on 19, my lord.
On 19 September, which was moved on 19 September 2023. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. Vichiganta submits that in the other matter, instructions have been received and believes that this matter be listed together with the WC 315. Stop. In consideration thereof, this is a matter with WC 315 on 9 October so and so. Till the next date, status quo, other two shall be maintained.
Much over.
Item number 2.
Yes. Yes.
I have asked in that government has passed a detailed speaking order.
My lord, I have supplied a copy.
Have you seen this, Mr. Nopio?
Supplied a copy.
Where's Dr. Mojita?
Yes.
Through VC.
I'm through receiver.
Have you seen it?
Now I have seen it, my lord. My lord, I have two submissions to make, my lord.
Yes.
Number one of our grievances has not been addressed, my lord. Number two, my lord, given the situation that tender is the last date of submission of bids is Monday, my lord. So, my lord, we are left with two options at this stage, my lord. Either you not hear the matter and dispose it of today, my lord, without an affidavit, my lord. Or the second option is that we participate in the bid, my lord. And the tender process will be subject to outcome of the request.
You participate in the bid. See, you're not even the bid. You haven't even put in your bid as yet. So whether we can hear the matter to suspend a tender process, that court would allow.
Madam, I'm not asking for that, madam. Madam, what I'm asking is that we will participate in the bid, madam.
Let them do that. You do
In
that.
the meantime, let them find an affidavit, madam. Expeditiously, madam.
Yes, Mr. Advocate General.
Yes, sir.
Yes, pursuant to the order dated.
Madam, the tender be subject to outcome of the request.
Everything will be subject to outcome rectification. Yes, Mr. Advocate.
Let him challenge the order which we have passed today. So there would be without challenge the order.
Mr. Advocate General, one thing, he is not even a bidder as on today.
Right.
So he's still from the outside looking in. He's not yet inside.
Tender is still open. Madam, tender is still open, madam.
Exactly. As we sit, as on today at 10:37 a.m., you're still from the outside looking in. You're not in the game as yet.
Madam, that is not entirely correct, madam. When the tender last closing date was 18th, madam, we have already submitted our samples and other things, madam. In the meantime, there is tender that the bid documents have not been submitted, madam. B, only EMT has been submitted. So the bidder has time to file the tender document till 25th. So therefore,
let them file.
He is outside the gate. He is not inside.
See, Mr. Mozika, if there's any illegality, let us take that. Take the order, yes.
One thing may I point out, madam.
Yes.
Madam, only one thing may I point out, madam.
Yes.
Now, kindly turns to page 101, madam.
Of your petition.
Madam. But this is a classic case of arbitrariness, madam.
Yes. Oh, that 85 and 50 points.
Madam,
How have they answered this?
Serial number 5 will also will see.
Yes.
Serial number 5 ballot. Firstly, they ask for those past 3 years, madam, not the last 3 years. That is the first. And secondly, ballot, you will also see 1 state 5 points, 2 states 10 points, 3 states should be 15 points, my ballot, it becomes 20 points. 4 states should be 20 points, they make it 30 points. But this is a simple style ballot.
See, Dr. Mozika, you cannot dictate the criteria which the owners of the contract have. You cannot dictate that. You can't say that, like, I have these qualifications. The tender requirement should be, styled such a way that I become automatically, eligible. No, the court won't accept that one. Let's see, only one thing, how did he answer this 101? Where in the reply? Where have they answered it? What did he say?
My lord, paragraph 11 in the report.
Let's see 11. Read it.
My lord, it says it is also relevant to note that clause 20 of NIT requires the manufacturer to submit annual financial statement for the last 3 financial years 19-20, 20-21, 21-22, duly audited by the chartered accountant.
21-21.
My lord, that is by mistake.
Yes.
Duly audited by the chartered accountant. It is also matter of record that the last date for filing the duly audited financial statement for current financial year 2022 to 23 is 31st October 2023. This tender was floated in August.
Points. This one will not dispute.
Therefore,
That 101.
yeah.
Regarding the points.
Regarding point is, my lord, paragraph 12.
Yes.
It is also important to note that the allocation of meager 5 points on the basis of prior experience in northeastern states cannot be said to be unreasonable in view of the unique political, social, cultural and geographical uniqueness associated with the northeastern part of India. For example, requirement of obtaining trading license from the district council is unique to the northeastern state. A bidder who is having no prior experience may face difficulty in supplying the micronutrient fortified energy dense food, which is essential for children of age group 6 months to 6 years and pregnant women and lactating mothers, adolescent girls. The scheme is of utmost importance for the above category of persons, and having regard to the nature of supplies, there is no mistake or error or unreasonableness in awarding 5 points for past prior experience of supplying micronutrient fortified energy dense food to the Social Welfare Director of Social Welfare of Northeastern States. It is also equally important to note that awarding 10 points for having a factory in Northeastern State is neither arbitrary nor unreasonable, inasmuch as establishment of a factory in Northeast certainly has some connection with supply of micronutrient fortified energy dense food. The government of Meghalaya has also as part of industrial policy encourages setting up a factory in the state of Meghalaya. It is also to be noted that food grains are provided to the manufacturer in the northeast only for blending the same with fortified energy dense food, and therefore having a factory in northeast is beneficial for the manufacturer as well as for the government. Now what happens is, my lord, as
Yes,
far as
understood. Yes, Dr. Mozika, reason seems to be backed up by logic.
They're not even challenging those wrong finals.
You'll have 2 options. Either you cast your bid and take your chance, or otherwise we'll hear the matter on Monday. You cast a bid, casting, but we'll hear the disposal on Monday itself.
My lord, what I'm saying, my lord, I'm casting my bid, my lord, by Monday. Let government file an affidavit, let the matter be heard.
Okay, but not subject. Yes. Take down. Take down. We'll pass. Yes. Pursuant to order dated.
My only prayer that depending on the outcome,
That is a given. That is a given, with Dr. Mozika. If you can show or satisfy the court that is, there's fraught with illegalities, whether that rider is there or not, it stands to, we don't have to say that.
My lord, only one thing I'll say, my lord. On the first motion, my lord, even your lordships has observed that maybe this is a typographical error.
Have to lift
is completed in the month of March, my lord.
Anyway, take down. Pursuant to order dated 21/9/2023, a speaking order has been passed by the respondents to the queries and clarifications sought by the writ petitioner. The same has been produced by learned counsel for the respondent and is made part of the record. Stop. In this view of the matter, the learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits that they will submit the bids as the last date on 25th, and that the matter be heard thereafter. Correct? Matter be heard thereafter.
The government will file affidavit.
Be heard thereafter. Stop. Will file thereafter. Stop. Mr. A. Kumal, Advocate General, has no objections to the same, and submits an affidavit bring on record the order will be formally filed to enable the will formally file to bring the same on record. Stop. Accordingly, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes. No rider.
But the government will file.
They'll file affidavit. Yes. They have to file to bring that on record. Yes.
Main list item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this matter, I would like to obtain the instruction from the client, Your Lordship, whether to proceed with the matter or to withdraw, Your Lordship. So I humbly pray that this matter come up next week, Your Lordship.
I've raised an issue of law. Instructions from client is hardly relevant.
Let her, since the senior is not here.
Next week, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the prayer of MS and
My Lord, if I can, there have been some related developments. If I can place those developments.
Not necessarily, he'll do that. If they have instructions to proceed with the matter, then we will hear your MSRG's praise the matter. Is after 1 week, enable him to obtain instruction as to whether the petitioner wishes to proceed with his petition. Accordingly, praise allowed list after 1 week. Yes, next week.
Item number 2.
A detailed counter affidavit has been filed in this matter.
Will you file rejoinder, Mr. Abraham?
Yes, Lordship. They have made a prayer in the paragraph 4 of the affidavit. They said that they are filing a short affidavit and they are making a claim of the leave to file a detailed affidavit. Whether they are going to file a detailed affidavit or they'll rely only on this affidavit. So we'll file.
Mr. Abdul, are you filing a detailed affidavit? Or?
We have taken legal objections. We have taken legal
objections. You filed it. An affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondents. Stop, Mr. H. Abraham, counsel for the petitioner. Praise be loud. How much time?
After puja, because the clients are from south.
That pujas is on?
Okay, then after 4 weeks.
No, we'll have to give you 2 weeks. For rejoinder, we dispose it off. There's alternate remedy here.
That interim order dated 1st of July may continue then, Your Lordship. Then I have
for 2 weeks. Interim orders will continue till next day.
And I also filed a misapplication for the fresh connection of my establishment. The respondent supposed to come with a specific instruction with regard to.
We have already filed reply to the main matter. We have already filed.
We take a misapplication to be taken to her together with the main applications on the next day.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Sure.
Your Lordship, they have filed the affidavit, Your Lordship. The matter may be listed for next week for hearing, Your Lordship. I'll not be filing any rejoinder to it.
No, next week. I'll list after 3 weeks for hearing.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
We're not going to give any precedence. That's all.
2 weeks.
As a 22 matter.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
MSPJ submits no rejoinder will be filed. This matter for hearing after 3 weeks. Yes.
Item number 4.
May it please Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
May it please Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the last order, we are supposed to file affidavit in service. But Lordship, the client couldn't come for signature, Your Lordship, due to some personal difficulty, Your Lordship. In fact, my Lord, the draft and all is ready, my Lord.
What happened?
In fact, the draft is ready, my Lord.
The
petition is ready, my Lord. But we are waiting
They've been served?
No, not yet, my Lord. Because we are waiting for the claim signature, Your Lordship.
Who's appearing for 5, 7 and 10? J. Shilla, Pasantio. 5 to 7, 10 to 13. Where's who? Mr. Pasantio? Mr. Pasantio and Mr. J. Shilla. Yes, Mr. Pasanthi, what instructions do you have? You not file affidavit also. Then? What's the matter about?
This is regarding constitution of a managing committee, Your Lordship.
We'll close the affidavit then. No, the office note indicates that affidavit of service is yet to be filed with regard to service upon respondent number 8 and 9. Stop. Next paragraph. No affidavit has been filed as yet on behalf of respondents 5 to 7, 10 to 13, though. Those have been filed, yes. Though adequate opportunity has been granted. Stop. Next one, Mr. Pasanthi for 5 to 7, and then however prayers that some more time may be given as the conducting counsel is not present. So, accordingly, Ministers of Justice lists after 2 weeks for service affidavit and for affidavit by 5 to 7, 9 to 13. You already filed yours.
State file, Your Lordship. Abla, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appealing on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I seek some more time to file our rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Reply.
You know that in election petition seeking repeatedly time you are liable to pay cost. Anyway, no objection. Yes, okay. Seen application for German fine behalf of the petitioner for the reasons stated therein. The prayers allowed. List this matter after when, Mr. Joshi?
After
2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 6.
My Lord, in item number 6, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, and I have already filed an application for withdrawal of the case, which has been separately generated as a separate MC number. I would like to withdraw this matter.
Okay, yes. Seen the miss case number 200/2023 stamp. This is an application filed by the writ petitioner for withdrawal of the instant writ petition stamp.
Actually, the petitioner has decided to file this matter directly in Supreme Court under 142.
Yes, sir.
So we would like to withdraw the matter here.
Withdraw for this court with liberty to resort to alternate remedy if advised. Stop. This case stands allowed. Stop and disposed of. Petitioner is permitted to withdraw the instant petition with liberty to file afresh, or free to seek alternate remedy if so advised. Then next, miss case disposed of. The next, the main case, in view of the order passed in miss case number so the instant writ petition stands closed on withdrawal case with liberty as prayed. Yes.
Item 7.
Thank you, my Lord.
Yes. Number 4. What happened, MS Pasa?
Praying for some more time, Your Lordship.
Why? What about 1 to 5 also? Sorry, not 1 to 5. This is
1, 2, 3, Lordship.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Can you call office note or can you check back?
Lordship, we yet to receive instructions, my Lord.
Yes. When was this filed? This was filed on
13/6/2000.
Yes, MS NG Shitan is a government advocate for 1 to 3 and MS Ilipasa for pray for allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Just thereafter also.
8.
May it please Your Lordship. I'm seeking for some more time, Your Lordship.
No, any urgency, Mr. Nombrino?
Urgency is not there, he already retired, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Anishwar Elner, AG, is also praised for further 3 weeks' time to file affidavit. This thereafter.
9.
9 and 10 also I have a similar prayer, Your Lordship.
10, same.
9 and 10, my lord, this urgency, my lord.
10?
9 and 10, my lord.
You're still serving?
Yes, my lord. My lord, vacancy occurred in April 2022, my lord. Until date, we have not been considered.
How many years of service do you have left?
Another, my lord, 4-5 years.
Then does it come together? You file affidavit.
Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
Strange.